College is a time of immense growth and learning. You're constantly challenged intellectually, emotionally, and socially. To thrive in this demanding environment, your body and mind need the right fuel. Healthy eating provides the energy you need to focus in class, study effectively, and participate in extracurricular activities. Nutritious foods are like superpowers for your brain. They improve memory, concentration, and overall cognitive function. When you nourish your body with wholesome foods, you're also investing in your mental health. A balanced diet can help reduce stress, improve sleep, and boost your mood. Moreover, healthy eating habits established during college can have lasting benefits. They can lower your risk of developing chronic diseases, such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. By adopting a healthy lifestyle now, you're setting the stage for a healthier future. Hey folks, thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos every week. I post videos on health, wellness, and lifestyle tips that will help you live your best life. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. One of the biggest challenges college students face is eating healthy on a budget. Tuition fees, textbooks, and living expenses can take a toll on your finances, leaving limited funds for groceries. Eating out frequently, while tempting, can quickly deplete your budget. Furthermore, access to healthy food options can be limited on or near campus. Vending machines and fast food restaurants often dominate, making it challenging to find affordable, nutritious meals. It's easy to fall into the trap of relying on processed snacks and sugary drinks for a quick energy boost. But these choices can leave you feeling sluggish and unsatisfied in the long run. However, don't despair. Eating healthy on a college budget is entirely possible with a little planning and creativity. By being resourceful and making smart choices, you can nourish your body without emptying your wallet. The foundation of healthy eating on a budget is meal planning. Taking some time each week to plan your meals can save you time, money, and unnecessary stress. Start by browsing grocery store flyers and online deals to see what ingredients are on sale. Once you have an idea of what's available, create a weekly meal plan that includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Consider your schedule and plan for meals that are easy to pack and transport if you have classes or work during the day. Having a plan in place reduces the likelihood of impulse purchases and ensures you have healthy ingredients on hand. When planning your meals, prioritize meals that can be stretched into leftovers. For example, roasting a whole chicken can provide protein for multiple meals, such as salads, sandwiches, or soups. Leftovers are a college student's best friend, saving you time and money throughout the week. Smart shopping secrets. Stretching your dollars at the grocery store. Grocery shopping can be a daunting task, especially when you're on a budget. However, with a few strategies in mind, you can make the most of your grocery trips and stretch your dollars further. Firstly, never go grocery shopping on an empty stomach. When you're hungry, everything looks appealing, and you're more likely to make impulsive purchases. Stick to your shopping list. Having a list helps you stay focused and avoid buying items you don't need. Organize your list by section, like produce, dairy, and so on, to make your shopping trip more efficient. Don't be afraid to explore the perimeter of the store. This is where you'll typically find fresh produce, lean proteins, and dairy products. Processed foods, which tend to be less healthy and more expensive, are often located in the center aisles. Buy in bulk when it makes sense. Items like rice, beans, lentils, and oats are more affordable in bulk and can be stored for long periods. Delicious and affordable, easy meal ideas for college students. Eating healthy on a budget doesn't have to be boring. There are plenty of affordable, nutritious, and easy-to-prepare meals that college students can enjoy. One classic example is oatmeal. Oats are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with fiber, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. They're also incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. For a quick and satisfying breakfast, try overnight oats. Simply combine rolled oats, milk or yogurt, chia seeds, and your favorite fruits or nuts in a jar, and let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. In the morning, you'll have a creamy and delicious breakfast ready to go. Another budget-friendly option is lentil soup. Lentils are an excellent source of plant-based protein, fiber, and iron. They're also incredibly affordable and easy to cook. Simply sauté onions, carrots, and celery in a pot, add lentils, vegetable broth, and your favorite spices, and simmer until the lentils are tender. Lentil soup is a hearty and flavorful meal that can be enjoyed hot or cold. The joys of cooking. Saving money and eating healthier. Cooking at home is one of the best ways to save money and eat healthier in college. While it may seem daunting at first, cooking doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Start by mastering a few basic recipes, such as scrambled eggs, stir-fries, and pasta dishes. These versatile dishes can be adapted to incorporate whatever ingredients you have on hand. Invite friends over for a potluck dinner. Not only is this a fun and social way to enjoy a meal together, but it also allows everyone to share the cooking responsibilities and try new dishes. Experiment with different cuisines and flavors. Cooking is a great way to expand your palate and discover new favorite dishes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes in the kitchen. Everyone starts somewhere, and the more you cook, the more confident you'll become. Embrace the learning process and have fun with it. Invest in your health. Reap the rewards of nourishing choices. Eating healthy in college is an investment in your present and future well-being. By making mindful choices about the food you eat, you are providing your body and mind with the nutrients they need to thrive. Remember that healthy eating doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor or enjoyment. There are countless delicious and nutritious options available to you. Embrace the abundance of fresh produce, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Experiment with different cuisines and flavors. Listen to your body and nourish it with foods that make you feel energized and satisfied. By prioritizing your health today, you are setting the stage for a brighter and healthier future. You don't miss any of my future videos. I post new videos every week on topics related to fitness, nutrition, and wellness. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. While we've covered the importance of healthy eating and budgeting your meals, let's not forget about snacking. Snacking smart can be a game changer for college students. Try pre-portioning your snacks into small containers or bags. Affordable, healthy snack ideas include apples, bananas, and oranges. Pair them with a small handful of nuts for a balanced snack. By incorporating these healthy snacking habits, you'll fuel your body and support your academic performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips.